with this shit damn near 10 years. Them took it on my wrist. I'm on the drugs like Pierce. You niggas just pussy out, hope they die.
Oh yeah, that was Dugg.
He supposed to have a sword in his hand,
It's over, look.
I kick your ass up and down the street.
Oh yeah.
Like Bo said, nigga, you don't like this shit, nigga, out rappers. My life just like the mob, can't fuck with this buddy trap. Uptowns, I'm itching out. My fridge like I'm prescribed. Nigga, is you rich or not? We raising the watch to 45. Having combos with my stash again, so deep I'm about to cry.
I walk in sipping on purple, can't lie, these scared is hurt. You can tell by the cup I'm sipping, all my bitches get me dirty. They can't fuck with me, I see it. On the jail with no ID.
Bro, I can't wait for y'all to see me find the product.
Wait, what's this right here?
The Wendy's Frosties.
Catching the hoe, you can see him medium pipe, ain't paying to play. Nigga don't trade his car, we gon' put shit on the nose like Nancy Grace. Bet 30 band on cap, it wasn't too bad. That was smiley face. Like he had to say, we going to the law, you pray them for the operate.
That was a bar.
Bust all these tennis chains on, can't even tell I had no beat, nigga.
That was crazy.